the hurdles in decision making or barriers in decision making. Be it your education, your career, choosing a life partner, or changing jobs, there are ample choices in any decision about major events of life. And choosing one out of many is a critical task. Choosing one from the many options in a given timeline is a skill. But many a times, this decision process encounters hurdles. These hurdles can be circumstantial or personal. Most of the times, personal or private hurdles are the reason that delay the decision-making process. We'll see some examples of that. Experts claim that humans use up to only 3% of the capacity of their brains. Can you believe 3%? Well, the remaining part is misused in WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Candy Crush, PUBG, etc. No, it's not a joke at all. This only goes to show that we spend too much time and mind on unnecessary things. This wasted time is the first hurdle. Just think over it. No one likes hurdles in the decision-making process, as well as humans try to avoid them. But this in itself poses as a hurdle in the process, in the fear that if I take this decision, then I may have to face this trouble. We tend to get distracted from our goal. And because of such preconceived notions, we keep pushing the decision to keep safe, which is another hurdle. You might be thinking about a problem, but there are a lot of other routine, daily problems which are bothering you. Even if they are minute problems, they need your attention and only you can solve them. This takes a major chunk of your time, and you are not able to concentrate on the primary issues and problems. In turn, you have to delay or shelve major decisions. This is a major hurdle in the decision-making process. Unanimous agreement is the proof that we have taken the right decision. If you take this as final, then you will never reach a decision. This is because no two people think in the same way. Everyone thinks according to their own previous experiences and preconceived notions, owing to which everyone's viewpoint towards a problem or an issue can be different. Everyone will agree to your decision. That is not bound to happen. That is why the decision-making process should be on the individual perspective and need not be universal. Emotional management. You may not be familiar with this term, but this is very important and inspirational. We encounter lot many emotions in our daily life: anger, jealousy, joy, sorrow, love, hatred, and many more. When any of these emotions goes beyond limit and you take it to your heart, solving hurdles and arriving at a decision takes the back seat and then consequent delay. So, it is very important to administer and keep your emotions in check. Be a failure but not a quitter. How well said! If you try, you might get success or failure, but not trying will leave zero chance of success. Thus, any of these hurdles in the decision-making process can prove dangerous. Any job, however hard, presents some chance of success, so aim for that.